from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, like I just said, my name is Hannah, and I'm new to the Dream Again world. But we also have some other guests as well, who are going to join us during the lessons and the episodes that we have. You already know Noah and Olivia, but let me introduce you to the other ones. First off, the one and only Miss Wigglesworth.
Hi kids, my name is Miss Wigglesworth.
And then we have the crazy but funny Mikey.
Hi kids, my name is Mikey.
And finally, it's the one person to keep us healthy, Jeremy.
Hi kids, I'm Jeremy.
Kids, I'm really excited about all the new things that we will be teaching you throughout the next year. So, hopefully you will join us, you will enjoy it, and you will learn something new. Thanks for watching Dream Again, and we hope to see you soon!